Assalamualaikum, anak soleh dan solehah kawakibian. Next week, we are going to learn Jolly Phonics group sound 5. Okay? The first sound is... Are you ready? Zzz, zzz, zzz. Like the sound in bee buzz, bee buzz. Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz? It goes like this. Zzz, zzz, zzz. The next sound is wah, wah, wah. I see the clouds moving, wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying, wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending, wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. The next sound is What is it? What is it? If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say Yay! The next sound is v. What is it? Drive a big van on a village. Drive big van on a village. Drive big van on a village. The last sound is ooh, 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 ooh. Short and long ooh. Okay? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yay! MashaAllah, you are doing excellent. Now it's time for you and mommy and daddy to practice, to make the action, to do the action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week. Bye bye.